A very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is when character resonates with the cosmic order. Ladies and gentlemen, nothing in creation exists without purpose. From the rhythm of atoms to the architecture of galaxies, from biological intelligence to ecological balance, every element functions within a vast and precise order. This order is not imposed from outside. It is encoded within existence itself. Harmony arises when each part performs what it is inherently designed to perform. Human character too is an expression of this universal design. Purpose emerges from function. Function carries responsibility. Responsibility, when fulfilled in alignment, sustains order. From this continuity, character takes shape, not as a moral label, but as a living coherence between inner design and outward expression. Character unfolds in two inseparable dimensions. The first is inherent. It is assigned as part of the cosmic intelligence that governs creation. Modern science observes this as genetic potential, neurological predisposition, and cognitive architecture. Ancient wisdom recognized this as dharma, the intrinsic law that aligns an individual with the whole. This dimension is experienced inwardly. It is like an inner sun, a silent source of clarity, direction, and strength. The second dimension is expressed. It evolves through conscious choices, fulfilled responsibilities, and lived integrity. This is visible to others. It is the radiance of the inner sun, perceived as wisdom in judgment, courage in uncertainty, and compassion in action. Both arise from the same source. When the inner sun remains steady, its light naturally reaches the world. As long as inner character fulfills its assigned role through awareness, coherence, and alignment, the cosmic order responds. Guidance appears not as instruction, but as intuition, timing, and synchrony. Neuroscience describes this as cognitive coherence. Physics recognizes it as resonance. Ancient traditions described it as communion. Outer character, nourished by this alignment, becomes a conduit. Energy received is transformed into energy shared. Thought gains clarity. Action gains purpose. Outcomes gain direction. The balance between the inner and outer shapes true character, not perfection but harmony, not rigidity but alignment. Integrity emerges naturally when inner intention and outer action reflect the same source. Human DNA carries the foundation, but consciousness activates it. Just as a seed requires the right conditions to become a tree, character requires conscious participation with the intelligence that sustains life. This bond is not accidental. It is part of the cosmic design. When acknowledged, it fuels the inner sun, guiding thought toward positivity, action toward responsibility, and outcomes toward progress. What's the way forward? Character is elevated not through force or imitation, but through alignment. Listening inwardly, acting responsibly, and remaining coherent between thought, word, and action gradually tune the individual into resonance with the higher, larger order. In such resonance, effort becomes efficient, strength becomes balanced, and influence becomes natural. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, when character resonates with the cosmic order, life flows rather than resists. The individual remains grounded yet expansive, guided from within and impactful beyond. As Lord Krishna affirms in the revered Bhagavad Gita, dedicate all actions to the higher order, free from ego and attachment. Act with clarity, steadiness, and inner balance. In such alignment, character is not constructed, it is revealed. The inner sun shines steadily, and its quiet radiance illuminates the world. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.